This is our 8051 microcontroller trainer kit, and with respect to the specifications and the list number, it is item number 24 on the list. It is the microcontroller 8051 kit with programming software and assembly language programming. I'll first move you through all the parts of the kit with respect to your specification first. Okay, the first thing is microcontroller kit 8051 with programming software and assembly language programming. For assembly language programming, we will be doing we are having two methods for that. For the first one, we are starting with the assembly language. We have connected the IBM PC keyboard via USB connector. Now we'll press A. After that, we come in assembly mode. Now we write ASM, that is for assembly, space ORG. Everything I'm typing on this keyboard. If I make a mistake, I can use backspace simply. Space 3000. Now 3000 is the starting memory address for my program. Now I press enter. Now you can see that this is the starting memory address for our program to start. Now we'll just try to write the first line, move space A, R0. And as soon as you press enter, we come to the next address for the program. In this kit, you can use both assembly and mnemonics. For assembly, I have shown you right now how to do that, and for mnemonics, we have to just simply press reset, and after that, we can simply press M on the keyboard. That is for memory location. We'll press 3000. We will press enter. We'll press the space bar. Then we can write our program. Like this is a program 1. In this you can use these 90301E. Do that. We'll simply type 90 space 30 space 1E space and so on. We can write our program in mnemonics 2. Now next part that comes at is the features of this kit. In this kit, this is the main IC. We are here using 89C52. This is our WinBond for our ROM. And here we have the 8255 connector, and you can see this is the 8255 IC. This is the connection port for serial port to communicate through PC. And these are the supplies given on board for using of other type of ADC, DAC or separate motor cards. Here we have 5 volt, plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt. This is the 50 pin bus for the 8051 controller. Moving on to the next part of the kit, this is the availability of this programmable board, which can be programmed through PC through this cable. This is a simple USB cable which can be attached to this programmer, and this programmer will be programming our 89S series IC, 89C series IC as per tender requirement. In the tender specifications, you can clearly see that there is a requirement for 89C series and 89S series. Right now we are using an 89S series IC, and in this board you can clearly see that all the ports are given on these pins. Port 0, port 3, port 0 and port 1 are given here respectively. 1 and 2 are given here respectively. And there is also a need of a breadboard for testing our basic circuits. Right now we have used a simple blinking program on our port 0. You can see this. We are using a simple blinking program for the demonstration of this card. For the breadboard purpose, we can also use this plus 5 volt ground, plus 12 and minus 12 for our onboard applications. For programming that can be done on this controller, we will be providing you a free version of Keel software, so that you can make a hex file and transfer it through this programmer to this controller. And as far as communication of this kit is concerned, you can simply use a 9-pin cable which will be provided with the kit to communicate with the PC so that you can download and upload the program to and from the PC.